Yeah, man, so today's affirmation declaration is this. Hey, man, don't forget, man, that our God is faithful. The Bible tells us in Psalms, I believe it's 119 to 90, that our God is faithful from generation to generation. You know, as I look over my life, man, and man, just how far I've come, bro, I know it's nobody but our God, man. He has kept me. I'm pretty sure he has kept you. He is a faithful, long-suffering, kind, patient God. Don't forget that, man. God is faithful. It ain't you that's keeping you. It ain't your money. It ain't nobody else. It is our God. He is a faithful God. Give him the praise. Give him all the glory because it's all due to him. Shabbat Shalom.